Did you know that you can make $100 to $500 per video by creating promotional videos with AI right from home? Without a camera, without a studio, and without any editing skills. This is one of the fastest growing online income opportunities of 2025, and anyone can start it. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this business works, what tools you need, how to find clients, and how you can turn this into a real online income stream even if you're a complete beginner. Here's how the business works. Every business today needs short promotional videos. Clothing brands, skincare brands, restaurants, salons, online stores, startups. Everyone needs videos for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and ads. And with AI tools, you can create these professional quality videos in just 3 to 4 hours. Deliver them to clients, and get paid immediately. No filming, no models, no equipment, just AI doing the heavy lifting. To do this business, you only need a few tools. First is Veo 3 by OpenAI, which creates cinematic studio quality shots and beautiful lifestyle visuals. Second is Runway Gen 3 Alpha, which is perfect for realistic product shots, motion ads, clothing ads, skincare, and tech products. Third is Pika Labs, which is amazing for fast-paced TikTok-style promotional visuals. And finally, you'll use CapCut for editing, where you add music, text, transitions, brand colors, and final polish. Some people also use 11 Labs for AI voiceovers and Canva for logo animations, but those are optional. Here's how the workflow goes. In the first step, you collect materials from the client, their product photos, website link, brand colors, and what message they want to deliver. Next, you create 4 to 6 AI scenes using Veo 3 or Runway product close-ups, lifestyle visuals, moving shots, and branded environments. After that, you bring everything into CapCut and add your transitions, texts, music, logo, intro, and optional voiceover. Finally, you export the video in 1080p or 4000 and deliver it. This entire process usually takes 3 to 4 hours. Now let's talk about how to find clients. You can get clients from Fiverr by creating a gig that says AI promotional video for brands. You can get clients from Upwork by pitching to small startups. You can reach out to Instagram stores directly and show them samples. You can upload videos on TikTok and attract clients naturally. And you can even work with local businesses like cafes, salons, boutiques, gyms, and real estate agents. A pro tip to grow fast: create 5 free sample videos for selected businesses. This builds trust and gets you your first paid clients quickly. And what about pricing? In the USA market, creators are charging $100 for a simple 20-second promo, $150 to $250 for a 30-second high-quality ad, and $300 to $500 for a 60-second brand commercial. Monthly packages can reach $800 to $1,500, and remember, all of this can be done from home using only AI tools. So that's exactly how people are making between $100 and $500 per video using AI promotional video creation. If you want a complete roadmap, outreach messages, niche-specific ad scripts, or more AI business ideas, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI-powered success strategies.